Welcome to your consumer portal, your online space for convenient access for all of your pre-tax accounts, such as health savings accounts. Each consumer site might look slightly different based on the type of benefits in which he has enrolled and the features that have been enabled. In this tutorial, we will explore how to manage investments for your health savings account. From the home page, click on the button Manage Investments in the I Want To section. Your investment page includes links for investment-related actions for your account. You can increase the defined investment sweep amount by clicking the Manage Investment Transfer link here. You are able to invest funds that exceed the minimum required cash balance threshold for your HSA. Click on the Manage Investments button to be directed to the Investments portal where you can view fund options and performance, set investment allocations, realign your portfolio, and view additional details about your HSA investment account. A correct response to one security question, which was set up upon first login, is required as an additional security measure to view and manage investments. From the Fund Performance link, you can view investment options, historical performance, and prospectus information online, even if you have yet to have money transferred into your investment account. You can also make a proactive investment allocation, thus planning ahead for that very first sweep. You have everything you need for your HSA investments on the Consumer Portal.